How to use Gemini AI in slides. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to use Gemini in Google Slides. So all you need is you just need to click Ask Gemini button to generate image, create a new slide, form or prompt as well. So what you want to do is, first thing first, you want to open a presentation in Google Slides. Now I'm using a mobile device, but you need to use the browser version of it. You could also go ahead and type in slides.google.com. And once you are open up, or once you are on this page, what you want to do is, here you just need to go ahead and click on Ask Gemini button. Now you could find this icon located in the top right corner of the screen, and a side panel will open where you can click, or where you can either select a suggested prompt or type your own a prompt box. And all you need is enter after typing your prompt to see the result. And this way you can use Gemini to create content, that is, create a new slide, generating images, generating charts in the graph, and then creating a background image, as well as summarizing the presentation as well. So this is how you could use Gemini AI in the slides. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.